Good morning, and we are by the, I cannot see if you can see it.
Tower.
Yeah, a tower. And we are about to go for a day sailing, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, life is good. It's sunny. I'm not freezing yet.
There's one of those boats down there.
Okay, let me show you. So this is the view we have. And little boat, boom, boom, boom. And we think, what do you think? Which boat we're gonna have? That one or this one?
That one where there are some people in.
This one?
Yeah. I don't know.
Let's see. We will soon find out. But looks pretty awesome, this area. And the water is very clear. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but in person it's very clear. Okay, we are on a boat. Wish us luck.
Hi.
Hi there. Well, the update we have for you guys is that we are on a boat. It's probably super windy, so you cannot hear me. But what is that? Lars. Cześć. They cannot understand cześć. Cześć. It's a hi in Polish. And yeah, we are just enjoying ourselves being on a boat. And we are also, I am hoping that we're gonna see dolphins, because I never saw one or two or any more. So
I never saw 100.
you are such an unlucky man. And Larry just told me that he saw a marshfin in Denmark last week. Was it last week? Yeah, last week. Which is totally unfair. And that he did and I didn't. And I didn't even know that we have marshfins in Denmark.
I think they're called something else in English.
I think they are called marshfins. Marshfin? Marshfin? You know, the other dolphin kind of thing. We had a very lovely swim in the water, and actually it was my very first time of swimming in this kind of tropical blue water, and it was amazing. And now we are going to the bar to grab a drink, maybe eat something, and to chill even more. And I feel like I'm getting sunburned actually, but we are topping it up.
And I'm hiding underneath.
Let me show you. It's all covered up.
Even my collar.
Yeah, James Bond.
We're going on a holiday to meet the sun and dodge the rain. Let's hope the weather stays nice. I've got a swim.
So as you can see, we are not in a boat anymore. We made it to our hotel, took a shower, and then we are in a local, very local restaurant for a lovely dinner. And this is what we are having for starter. It's some kind of roll made of wine leaves, I think.
And then something cheesy inside, I think. Yes, and I haven't set my hair.
That's alright.
Well.
Okay, and then wine.
15 in my hand, let's hope the weather stays nice. The summer songs are playing in my ears.
Okay, I was just filming what I have for dinner. But this is Lars's moussaka. And even though I'm not a big fan of meat, aka I'm vegetarian, it is looking very good on massive meat. Let's go!
In a good mood.
Okie dokie, so we are leaving our hotel right now, and we'll don't drive down the lady. And we are going to return the car, then go to the airport and go to the Thessaloniki or Thessaloniki. So that's the plan, and then we will stay in Airbnb for 2 days or 1.5 days. Is that true?
I think that's true.
I think it's true. And our hair turned so freaking blonde and white. Such a Finnish people we are.
Haven't been away for a long, long time, so needless to say, I'm slightly excited.
Hello, hello! We made it to Thessaloniki, and to look at this cheeky purchase. It's a bag I was waiting for too long, and I finally found it in Greece. and I will show you that back a bit later. And now we are waiting for pizza because I am pizza eater and monster. Amen. But I want to show you all the surroundings we have because it's very pretty in here. Look at all of those buildings. So pretty. I love it. And I think that Thessaloniki has very nice and very ugly side. So all of these very touristic areas are actually pretty sad looking. We try to be fancy, but it's just crowded and not very cozy. But the area of our Airbnb is actually very nice because it's local and cozy and nice. I love it. I really like it.
And let it just settle a little bit here.
Okay, okay. And look at this bit. Look at this church. Here we have like a little very dry park and some gentlemen playing cards or wherever. And these guys. And we just have eaten breakfast and
Which was actually lunch.
yeah, because we started to eat it after 12, so it was a lunch. And actually we struggled with finding some breakfast place. It looks like Greek people, they drink coffee and eat sandwiches for breakfast. And it's not our cup of tea.
Not on vacation.
No. So, oh, and a pigeon.
That is a pretty cool pigeon.
Hello.
It's like a mix of...
I think it's a male pigeon trying to impress a lady. Oh, for sure it is. Yes, like look at me. Can you see it?
Oh, what?
Okay.
No, there's another one going on.
No, but we had a lovely breakfast. I didn't film it because by the time we got to this place, to this restaurant, I was so hungry that I really needed to eat, like right now. And I didn't think of filming or taking a picture of anything. I was like, give me the food. So I don't have any pictures of it. But trust me, it was brilliant. It was very good, fresh, and very Greek. Do you agree, my love?
I do agree.
Okay, and now we are heading to the Santa Sofia.
I do agree.
Yeah.
Had to come.
And this is the main square, I think. Aristoteles Square, is it called?
Yeah.
Or something like that. Some kind
Aristotle.
of Greek. Aristotle?
In English, I guess.
Yeah, must be. No.
Pigeon Square.
It's for sure Pigeon Square. But look at it. From this angle you can see Leipzig. But from this angle you can see sea. And from this angle, actually it doesn't work on this street. But normally you can see hills with buildings. So it's actually pretty cool with lots of pigeons. Fuck.
I told you, Pigeon Square.
Oh my god. And Stalin with a pigeon on his head. I'm not sure if it's Stalin actually, but it looks like him from this angle at least. We just made it to this boat, pirate boat, and we are about to have some beer, and then I will show you the view for Thessaloniki, of Thessaloniki. It's actually pretty lovely, with those hills in the background. Where is this tower? Oh, in here. But
Another tower.
yes, another tower, and funny part is that this one is not blue. It's more like Denmark kind of harbor or greenish. I cannot really remember when I vlogged last time, but now we are having a dinner. This is our last evening in Thessaloniki, and you can probably not hear me because it's very loud in here. But look at that. I was hunting for this purse for so long, and finally it's here. Ooh. Anything to report, Prince Cat?
No.
Anything? Yeah. Well, I have something to report. We are drinking wonderful wine.
Yes, that is true.
That is worth the report. Okay, let's do it again. I have a risotto again because I love risotto, and Lars is having some kind of giant animal.
No, well, I have one vegetable here.
Yeah, you have your salad on the side. Yeah, I think you should go for a little bit more veggies than that. Okay. let's get it started. Okay, Lars decided that this piece of meat is a bit too bad, so he needed some salad. And we ordered some tomato salad. It was actually pretty impressive. Yeah, it looks much better in person than in camera. There's ham on it. Good morning, it's very early in the morning and we are in a cab heading to the airport, saying hi to the Thessaloniki.
Hours, and we said that this would be ours until the end of